Hi, let me help you to change the disk password in Qubes OS. Simply open the menu at the upper left corner and then select this gear button. Select System Settings and then change disk password. So now it asks my current disk password, which I'm typing in right now, and a new password. And of course this new password again for verification. So now I click change password and it's working. The window is gone and that means that the disk password changed successfully. That's it. If you want to see more handy tips and tricks about Qubes OS, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Nova Custom. Own your tag.